the best fertilizer for more flowers and when to use it if you want your plants to produce more flowers. The right fertilizer can make a huge difference. Many gardeners water regularly and give their plants good sunlight, but still struggle with weak blooming. The issue usually comes down to nutrients. Flowers need specific support to grow strong, colorful, and consistent. In this video, I'll explain which fertilizer works best for heavy blooming and the perfect time to use it, so your plants can flourish all season long. Let's start with the basics. Plants need 3 main nutrients: nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Nitrogen helps with green growth, phosphorus encourages flower and root development, and potassium boosts overall strength. When your goal is more flowers, the key ingredient to focus on is phosphorus. It's the nutrient that triggers bud production, improves flower size, and helps plants bloom continuously. That's why the best fertilizer for flowers is one that has a higher middle number on the label. The middle number represents phosphorus. Bloom-boosting fertilizers come in different forms, and all can work well if used the right way. Granular fertilizers release nutrients slowly, which is great for long-term feeding. Liquid fertilizers act fast and are perfect when your plants need an immediate push. Organic options like compost or well-balanced natural mixes are gentle on plants and keep the soil healthy over time. The important thing is to pick a fertilizer that supports blooming rather than leafy growth. Now let's talk about timing, because even the best fertilizer won't help if you use it at the wrong moment. The ideal time to start fertilizing for flowers is early spring, right when plants wake up and new growth begins. This gives them the fuel they need to build strong stems and prepare for buds. If you're planting new flowers, mix a slow-release fertilizer into the soil at the start. This gives young plants a strong foundation. Once your plants begin forming buds, switch to a bloom-focused feeding routine. Liquid fertilizer works especially well during this stage because it reaches the roots quickly and supports active flowering. Apply it every 2 to 3 weeks for consistent results. Make sure the soil is moist before fertilizing, and water again afterward so the nutrients can absorb properly. During the hottest part of the season, plants often slow down. This is a good time to give a light feeding instead of a heavy one. Too much fertilizer in high heat can stress the plant. When temperatures cool again, resume regular feeding to support the next wave of blooms. Avoid fertilizing during winter or dormancy. Plants aren't actively growing then, and unused nutrients can build up and damage the roots. Finally, be careful not to overfeed. Many gardeners think more fertilizer means more flowers. But too much can actually burn the roots or force leafy growth instead of blooms. Keep a simple, steady schedule and let the plant respond naturally. With the right fertilizer and good timing, any garden can produce fuller, brighter, and more frequent flowers. Follow these steps and enjoy a healthier, more colorful garden all year long.